Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in for Prodigy Finance. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in Prodigy Finance login. Scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. This is the homepage of Prodigy Finance website. On the top navigation bar, you can see sign in option, click on sign in. And here you have three options: student, investor and schools. Click on the option as you prefer. Here I'm choosing student. Now you need your email address and a password to sign in, or you can also directly sign in with your LinkedIn account or your Google account. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on create account and create a new account. Now type in your email address. Now type in your password. Now, if you click on this box, then you'll be signed in this website for 30 days. You can leave it as unchecked. And if you have forgot your password, you can click on this link to reset it. Now click on sign in, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Prodigy Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.